bed is not moving at all. Hello everyone, today we will continue with the Z-axis. For that we need to put our latch screw nut. So for that you'll use this piece, and in 3x12 with the M3x12 we are securing the latch screw nuts. And I'm also using a shim because the gap where the screw is going through is very thick. I think the shim could help a bit. We will put this one to here. I realized that I didn't make the connection from the back, so this I will do. I put the missing screws for the bed. Now we need to place this one with the remaining two hex nuts. M3x12. We need to put 3x12 also here, screw the plastic. I think this is for the Z stuff. For now I will not tightening these two, this one, because we need to align with the Z motor. I think the orientation should be like this. So this is the front of the printer, this is the back, and the cable should go to the right side and the back side. I think this is the orientation. I hope I am correct, otherwise we will correct it if we need it. So with M3x6 and M3x8 we will turn our printer upside down to put more hex nuts. Okay, like this, and let's start here on the rear right. We need 3, and the front right. This is the front right of the printer, by the way. Front right of the printer will need another 3. Sorry, back right and front right, yeah. And now we are looking back. This one is front left 3. Back left 3, 1, 2, 3, and the back of the back left again 3. So on the back left, both outer sides should have 3 hex nuts. 1, 2, and 3. Back right again 3. Back of back right here 1, 2, 3. So each outer side has 3 now. This is for the panels, I guess. It's M3x40, and we will install it to tapped side of the profile. So these foot, I don't know, they are same, but I'm using the one skirt mode. I will put its link. The one of them is different. I know the stock one has like a channel. I couldn't figure out what it is. I think it's for the PDF etude, maybe. I'm not sure. I put the Z motor also. The thing is, I don't know, maybe because of the model is different, but it seems these M3x40s are a little bit short for these foots. So I tried, these are somehow screwed, but I couldn't do this, and I tried to force it, and I think a couple threads, for example, in here is broken. So for now I just put the hex nuts under the rubber foot, and temporarily I'm placed the foots like this, but for the foots I think I need to change I think I need to slice it in two, and then I can use the first part to screw it to frame, and the second part will be screwed to first printed part. So I think I will do like that because I don't have any longer screw more than 40 millimeter. Yeah, that motor. The thing is, first you need to be careful about this T-nut. So while you are inserting your lead screw, you need to put this complete kit, because this second part also threaded. You need to put spring and second part, then you need to screw the lead screw to this nut. And after that, as you know, I left this part loose, and I left this part loose also then later on. And what I did, I put my put my bed to most down, and with that I aligned my motor's position, and I tightened these screws of the motor. Then later on I tightened the screws of this bracket, and that's all. Now I think it is, yeah. It seems fine. Later on I will also put grease on this lead screw to help the movements. And by the way, the bed is not moving at all. That's interesting. I wasn't expect that. But I mean, it's not freely falling or something, or force also. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, you need a lot of force for it. Wow, that's nice. That's nice. So that means our bed will not drop while the motor is not energized. Okay. I solved the issue. What I'm doing actually, I sliced two pieces too and put two threaded inserts in the bottom one, and with M3x20 and then screwing this to like a normal foot. Then I am putting one M3 hex nut inside the middle hole where I tighten the bolt. Then I am taking the second block. I'm mounting the second block to first block, and with another M3x30 I'm mounting feed to feed block. So it will grab the hex nut where we put on the first block, and it will hold on that. And yeah, our fit is also done now. Yeah, I could just also buy longer screws, but where is the fun of that? So that was all for this episode. Thank you for watching, and in the next one we will start the x-axis, the gantry. Thank you for your time, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.